Hi guys, this is Gadget Man 404, and as you can see there, it was really windy, and this is only going to end one way, and I'll try my best to keep it steady. But mayday, Houston, I have a problem. We are going down, we are going down, we are going down. So I'm fighting the wind. Now the wind, this was on Wednesday, Thursday, was way too windy to fly, but it was the best day of the week to fly, so I decided to fly anyway. And then my second flight is even shorter than the first flight, but it just goes to show you that the wind is gonna have its way no matter what you do. And as you can see, when I pick up the quad, look at my tracksuit bottoms blowing around in the wind. That's just how windy the day was. So it wasn't my cleverest day to fly, but I wanted to go fly anyway. This has been Gadget Man 404 out.